I'm at a spot just east of Hazleton. We're going to see some hoppers. They used to use this for loading the train cars. We're going to see some mine drainage that's just bubbling out of the ground. And we're going to see a really unique small octagon-shaped building. It's right alongside the tracks, and it was used in the early 1900s. I don't know if they used that for a stopping place to take the coal back and forth. Don't know. Maybe you can tell me. This ramp was used for loading the train cars. It's not in use right now, but it's still an active site. Honestly, why, that took a lot of effort to bring this platform all the way up to the top of the ramp. And for why? In one piece. Why?
Observation deck.
The trucks used to back up to this ramp, dump the coal in the hopper, and under the hopper was a belt that used to take the coal up to the train cars.
I was going to give you a burial at sea.
That's it, it's just coming up out of the ground.
Oh, shit, that moss. Come here, you can look right down over this side.
Oh, yeah.
The moss is blocking it, but you can look right down and it's all hollow.
Huh.
They're cranberries. Hey, listen.
Baby, I think you got dingleberries.
I don't like this spot.
Why?
You can't bury it in here.
Well, I'm talking about the water.
No, I don't like this spot.
What? That moss is blocking it though. You can see part of the hole there.
Now, what was that? This is, yeah.
Where does this come out? What is it?
That's the orange. That's all on there.
Yeah, I was just going to say,
So here we are.
Stay out, stay alive.
Yeah, stay out, stay alive. Well, I'm not going inside the fence. Just coming over here. Let's see what's... And see, there were times where that would be like shooting up like a little geyser.
Right there?
Yeah, where it's bubbling up.
Oh, yeah, you see the rest out about a foot higher.
Oh, okay, yeah, then it does come up high sometimes. I thought so. Looks like that over there washed out at some point.
A couple ribbons on this one.
Oh, you're gonna eat them? Oh, no, not me. I don't know. How much of this poison do the plants absorb?
Tastes good.
Okay, you could see the rust marks on the fence, how high this water would come up. Pretty far. That's quite a bit. You could see it on the plants too. Sometimes it used to shoot up like a geyser, like the big Mine Run geyser, only not quite as high. That's still a lot of water. Ooh. Oh, that goes back there.
And that's all water. Wow.
Like I said, the beam was down this up here, walking. And over here they had all these things down. And here going down the river a bit.
The water looks so nice over here. Nice and clean and clear, except for all that orange muck. The last time I was here, this was like blue. You couldn't see through the water. It's just flowing, flowing, flowing. Oh, you could hear it bubbling out of the ground all the way from here. Okay, look under the tunnel here. It's not that long. It doesn't go all the way under the tracks. It's got some good sturdy supports though. And it's bending. You could see it's starting to bow. See it? Okay, we got an odd shape here. It's almost octagon. Oh, this is odd. It's an odd shape. It's like octagon, kind of a circle type. Well, this is cool. This is a really unique. I have no idea what it was for, but it's a hole down here. Don't want to fall in there. Don't know what was down there. Almost like a 6 or 8-sided building here. What have we here? Little tiny red mushroom. part of the foundation here. It's a little squared off.
I am.
They're probably out in the woods. They're probably out.
Okay, that's about all there is to see in this area. I'm going to wrap this up now. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.